Today our topic is Current Affairs Part 17. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB, other PSUs.
Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos.
Why was Justice Dalvinder Bhandari in the news recently? The given options are A. He became a Director General of World Trade Organization. B. He became a Secretary General of SAARC. C. He became a member of UN Human Rights Council. D. He was elected to the International Court of Justice. The option D is correct one. He was elected to the International Court of Justice. Dr. Justice Bhandari was a judge in the higher Indian judiciary for more than 20 years. He served as a senior judge in the Supreme Court of India. He has been an executive member of the International Law Association India chapter since 1994. Which one of the following has not been launched during the tenure of NDA government at the center? The given options are A. MGNREGA program, B. Swachha Bharat Abhiyan, C. Ujjwal Yojana, D. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The correct option is MGNREGA program. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is a law whereby any adult who applies for employment in rural areas has to be given work on local public works within 15 days. If employment is not given, an employment allowance has to be paid. MGNREGA program has not been launched during the tenure of the NDA government at the center. The book title It's a Wonderful Life has been authored by Dash. The given options are A. Ruskin Bond, B. Amitabh Ghosh, C. Salman Rushdie, D. Arundhati Roy. The given option A is correct one, Ruskin Bond. The book title It's a Wonderful Life has been authored by Ruskin Bond. It was published by Aleph Book Company on April 10, 2021. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novel in English. Who was the youngest Chief Minister of State in India? The given options are A. Akhilesh Yadav, B. Arvind Kejriwal, C. Mukul Sangma, D. None of these. The correct answer is Akhilesh Yadav. Mr. Akhilesh Yadav was the youngest Chief Minister of a state in India, having assumed office on March 2012 at the age of 38. He is the youngest person to have held the office. Recently, which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthik Sahayata Yojana? The given options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Delhi. The given option D is Delhi. The Delhi government has launched the Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthik Sahayata Yojana to avail financial assistance. Under the scheme, an ex gratia of 50,000 will be provided to those who have lost a family member to coronavirus. Which of the following has introduced a new IT platform called EPGS for its group business operations? The given options are A. SBI, B. LIC, C. HDFC Bank, D. ICICI Bank. The given option B is LIC. The Life Insurance Corporation of India has introduced a new IT platform called EPGS for its group business operations. The new technology platform is designed to provide for centralized collection and payment at a high level of bank integration. Life Insurance Corporation of India is an Indian government-owned insurance and investment corporation. The first Vice President of Independent India was. The given options are A. Dr. Zakir Hussain, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C. V.V. Giri, D. G.S. Pathak. The correct answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant to be commissioned into the Indian Navy in which year? The given options are A. 2023, B. 2024, C. 2022, D. 2025. The correct option is 2022. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant to be commissioned into the Indian Navy in 2022. This warship was first sanctioned by the government in January 2003. It is 262 meters long and 62 meters wide. It will be able to launch 30 aircraft including 20 fighter jets and 10 helicopters. Who among the following was the first woman Chief Justice of a High Court? The given options are A. Geeta Mukherjee, B. Leela Seth, C. Sujata Manohar, D. Rani Jethmalani. The correct option B is Leela Seth. Justice Leela Seth was the first woman judge on the Delhi High Court and the first woman to become Chief Justice of State High Court. Born in Lucknow in October 1930, she joined the bar in 1959. When in India, she was a junior to Ashok Kumar Sen when he used to practice during his absence from the Central Cabinet of India. Which country will host the 9th Asian Ministerial Energy Roundtable in 2022? The given options are A. UAE, B. China, C. India, D. France. The correct option is C. India. India will host the 9th Asian Ministerial Energy Roundtable in 2022. The previous meeting was held in Abu Dhabi in 2008. It was co-hosted by India. The International Energy Forum is the world's largest energy organization with 71 member countries. It was established in 1991. Which state has topped the India Smart Cities Awards contest 2020? The given options are A. Kerala, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Haryana. The given option B is correct one, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the top performer among all Indian states in ranking given by the Center Smart Cities Mission Project, followed by Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The first Field Marshal of India was A. Vaidya, B. Sam Manekshaw, C. Vikram Singh, D. SHFJ Manekshaw. Given option B is correct one, Sam Manekshaw. Field Marshal is a 5-star general officer rank and the highest attainable rank in the Indian Army. Sam Manekshaw was the first Field Marshal of India and was conferred the rank in January 1973. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Like and comment about my video. Thank you.